Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to use the File Explorer address bar as a run box in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Most Windows users open the Run Dialogs box by pressing Windows plus R to execute commands, but many people don't know that you can also run the same commands directly from File Explorer address bar. This method is quick and convenient, especially if you are already working inside File Explorer. Let me show you how it works. First, open File Explorer on your computer. You can do this by pressing Windows plus E keys on the keyboard. Now look at the address bar. At the top of File Explorer, click inside the address bar and delete everything, and then type a command just like you type in Run dialog box. For example, type cmd and then press enter. This will open command prompt. You can also run other commands in the same way. For example, you can type control and then press enter to open control panel. You can type regedit and press enter to open registry editor. You can also open system folders. For example, type %app data % and press enter. This will open the app data roaming folder. Similarly, you can run many Windows tools directly from the File Explorer address bar. This trick works in both Windows 11 and Windows 10, and it can save time when you need to quickly launch system utilities or folders. So next time you are inside File Explorer, remember that the address bar can also work like the run command box. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.